Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. In this video I want to show you how you can clean up your disk drives. I have installed Windows 11 recently. I don't have much space left on the C drive because of that installation. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you now the Windows Explorer here. I have around 13 gigabytes left on my C drive after the installation of Windows 11. So I just want to clean it up a little bit, okay? There's a built-in software to Windows, okay, that you can use. Now the C drive, I see 13 gigabytes left. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to Start on the left-hand side, Search, and click on Search, and then just type in clean MGR. Clean MGR, and then you have clean disk cleanup software. Click on it to open that. Okay, and then you can see the pop-up windows asking me which drive I want to clean, and I want to clean the C drive. I'm just gonna click on OK. Then as you can see here, I have some files and temporary internet files and downloaded programs files selected by Windows by default. I can select other stuff as well if I want, but this is not giving me more of the options. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on Clean Up System Files. Clean up system files. I'm logged in as administrator, so didn't ask me to put a password in, but you have to be logged in as a computer administrator to have this option opened. Okay, so now this program is calculating for me the previous installation of Windows, etc., etc. So it's giving me now more options. So as you can see here, now I have the same thing selected as before, but if I scroll down, I have Windows previous Windows installations, and it's 9 gigabytes. So I'm gonna tick that option. I don't want to use those files in the future, so I can also select Windows upgrade log files, and then I'm just gonna click on OK, and then it's asking me if I want to be, if you want to be sure to delete those permanently. So click delete, yes, and now it should calculate the files, and now it's asking me if I want to remove the previous installation of Windows, which is Windows 10. I don't want to go back to Windows 10, so I'm just gonna click on yes on that. Okay, it means that you're not gonna have an option to go back to Windows 10, but obviously if you want to use Windows 11 from now on, just click on yes option on that. Okay, so now it's going to try to clean it up, the disk C, and that's gonna take a while, depends of the computer and the disk type that you have, but usually it takes a while, but in my case it shouldn't take that long. So it's calculating the previous installation of Windows files, and it's going through the process of deleting of those files. And so we're gonna wait for this a moment, but I'm gonna pause recording so you don't have to wait for this, okay, in the video. So I'll be back in a second. Yeah, so at this stage it's going through the process. It's finishing now. As you can see, I have 22.7 gigabytes left on the C drive. So I'm gonna refresh that to see if there's any changes, and I'm gonna right click and then show more options and then refresh. 22.6, which is still, it's 100 megabytes less than it was before I refreshed it, so that should be alright. So guys, thank you very much. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and thanks very much. Take care.